Hello, in this example, I'll show you how to run two-way ANOVA. I'm using the Excel file XR14-97 posted on your course website. So as a first step, click on the Data tab in your Excel menu, and then choose Data Analysis. In the Data Analysis list, choose ANOVA 2 factors with replication. This is the Excel terminology for two-way ANOVA, and click OK. Highlight the whole area of your table, of your data. Row per sample, you need to specify that there are 5 observations in each combination of factor A and factor B. In alpha, if it's not 5%, change it to the required alpha. Once you're done, click OK. As a result, on the top of your screen, you will get statistics, summary statistic for your factor A and factor B. So factor A, here it is, the time, and factor B is the rows in the U shape, and you have all your summary statistic appearing on the top. Okay, count, average, variance, and on the bottom part, you have your two-way ANOVA table. So that's summarized the video for two-way ANOVA using Excel.